Okay, careful.
You're so good.
Thank you. Let's let them cool off for a little bit.
Okay.
Thanks for helping me bake the cookies. Getting to spend this time with you is so special to me.
Me too, Daddy. I love helping you with stirring and mixing and measuring everything.
And you did great, Rudy. You know, my favorite part of baking is measuring all these ingredients.
And my favorite part is mixing everything together to make the dough.
But my favorite part is the time we spend together.
Oh, that's my favorite part too, Daddy.
Yeah.
You know what my second favorite part is?
What'd that be, son?
When the cookies are all done and then we can eat them. Right?
I like the way you think, and I like that part too. There's one for me. Telling your little ones how much you enjoy spending time together builds your special bond and helps boost their self-confidence and pride.